how to change display language in Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, okay, you can see the edit button on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the edit button. And now you can select the profile you want to change the display language. Okay, for my example, I change the display language of this chat profile. Okay, you can tap the pencil icon on this profile. And now you can see here the display language. And the display language is set into English. So if you want to change this, okay, you'll have to do tap this. And now you can see the option. Now you can change the language of the text you see on Netflix. Any charge will also apply to the default language for audio and subtitles. So for my example, I change into Filipino. And after that, go back and automatically save this language into display language of this profile. And after that, tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the display language on your Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.